Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking to jazz up movie night? Then look no further than this super cool movie night popcorn kit from Pop Indulge. This little kit gives you a variety of different popcorns and flavors to choose from, and you can mix and match to find your favorites. It also comes with popcorn bags so you can say goodbye to sharing out of one bowl. I have found that the kernels are easy to pop and your popcorn comes out light and fluffy. I got 2 large servings out of each little bag, and with the different seasonings, you can add the perfect amount of flavor powder to your personal taste. I love the way it came boxed. It was so cute. It was like getting a gift from a friend, and it would make a good gift. So if you're looking to add a little flair to movie night or just simply to have a delicious snack after work, this movie night popcorn pack from Pop Indulge is fun and flavorful, and I think that you'll love it. And that's my point of view.